Who is Honorable Shina Peller? Well, he is one of the youngest billionaires in Nigeria today and the owner of the famous Quilix nightclub in Victoria Island, Lagos. Shina Abiola Peller is a Nigerian entrepreneur, politician, industrialist, and a member of the 9th National Assembly. He is the chairman and chief executive officer of Aquila Group of Companies and Club Quilix. A Nigerian businessman, a philanthropist, and an industrialist. He was born in Lagos State, Nigeria on the 14th of May 1976. His parents hailed from Oyo State in southwestern Nigeria. Shina Peller's father is the well-known Professor Mashood Abiola Peller, who was a popular magician in Nigeria when he was alive. Shina Peller is a chemical engineering graduate of the Lado Kokintola University of Technology. He also has a master's degree in business management from the same university. He is also the group chairman and CEO of the diversified conglomerate, Aquila Group of Companies. CEO of Aquila Oil and Gas. He is the owner of the Quilix restaurant and nightclub in Victoria Island, Lagos, Nigeria. The club is the #1 spot in Nigeria for partygoers, and it has a wonderful architectural design. It is worth mentioning that Shina Peller represented Nigeria at the Nightclub and Bar Convention in Las Vegas, Nevada, the USA in 2014. He also has a music label known as Aquila Records. Shina Peller is also the founder of a foundation known as Help the Blind and Handicapped Foundation. The foundation helps disabled people, orphans, and widows by empowering them through business grants and scholarships. He is also involved in many other philanthropic commitments in Nigeria. Honorable Shina Abiola Peller is a happily married man with children. His wife name is Iobola Peller and she is a chartered accountant. We hope Shina Peller will continue to enjoy more success and good health in his endeavors. God bless Nigeria. God bless Shina Peller.